Hey everybody, this is Abby from Zimbrick Chevrolet in beautiful Sun Praire, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to show you the one work truck, Chevrolet Silverado half-ton. This is a great truck. Great for any business or anyone just looking to get an entry-level truck. This has the Eco Tec3 V6 along with the 6-speed transmission. Back here we've got the easy down tailgate and the bumper step. Makes it easier to get in and out. Comes with the 17-inch wheels. Take a look on the inside here. Here you can see the crew cabs have a lot more room than the last version. About 2 more whole inches. Up front here we've got the 4-inch radio screen. Comes with XM radio. Up front, it's got the rubber floor matting. Double glove boxes, upper and below. Over here on the steering wheel, we've got cruise control. There's a shot of the dash. This truck with the V6 can tow about 6,200 pounds. And again, I'm Abby, Zimbrick Chevrolet, beautiful Sun Praire, Wisconsin, serving the Madison area. If you have any questions, give me a call.